Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can type in coordinates into your Google Maps so that you can search for them. So let's get right into it. Now, to type in these coordinates, it's really easy. You can type them in the Google Maps search bar and search for those coordinates as you would any other address, and then it'll precisely locate the location that you want. Now, of course, these coordinates need to be written in a certain sort of format. You can use the decimal format, which is the one Google Maps uses to actually locate any address. So, for example, if I go into the search bar, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, I don't know, for north, I'm going to add 36.22143, and then a comma for north. If it was south, it would be negative 36.22143. And for west, which I'm currently trying to do, I'm gonna add negative, whoops, gonna add negative 43 point, also some numbers or some coordinates in the decimal spaces. And now that we have it, as you can see, you can search for that location. And if I click it, as you'll see, it is within the Atlantic Ocean, I believe. So yeah, it is right in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. So for example, if I change, well, as you can see, it also changes the coordinates right over here. So it'll change the format into degrees, minutes, and seconds. But yeah, I'm going to go 36.22143, and I'm going to go negative 73 point whatever. And if I do that, it is still for some reason in the Atlantic Ocean, so I should go even more. So let's say I go for 93 degrees west, and that's gonna place me somewhere within the United States. In this case, it's right outside Harrison, in I'm not sure which state that is, Harrison, Arkansas. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.